I'm Muhammed Sinan BK. I'm from Kerala. I have done my graduation in Computer Science and Engineering from Yanappa Institute of Technology, Mangalore. And I joined here as an incubation student. And I'm taking training. So I have done training for past 3 months. The course completion it will be 6 months course. Within 3 months only I have got placed because of the trainers and because of trainers. In Mernstech, the trainers are Said sir, Vivek sir, and Arsha sir. They taught me very well. It's exceptional. How they taught and how they have been very good experience and all. They share knowledge. They are not treated like as a student only. They treat me very well. They give me the knowledge. When I was in engineering, I didn't have this much knowledge. Then I came to Jspiders and I joined Mernstech and the trainers who taught me very well. So I got the placement within 3 months only. So I am very grateful for the trainers and the Jspiders who have given me this opportunity.